Hi guys, this is my project. It's a platform game. As you can see here, this is my main menu. You can press this button, click on this button to play the game, view credits, and quit game. If you click on view credits, that's it. And it will bring you back. You can quit game, and there's the reset button that resets the best score if you just click on that. So when you play the game now, you will have like 0. So it will reset the score by then. And as you can see, this is our player. And you will have to make sure you collect all the gems, as many as you want, to beat your best score and win. This is a moving platform, so you have to wait to get on it and make sure you don't fall off of it. And our finishing line shows you the time left, score, and total score. Gonna go click there. This is our level 2, by the way. It's a bit more complex. And in this game, you try to make sure that you don't fall off the edges here, because if you do, you die and you'll have to restart the game again. Sorry, I'm not so good at this game. There we go. Here we are. I'm just gonna show you how it would be if you fall. And you restart again. As you can see, our score goes to 0 because you're restarting it. So gonna have to go again. Okay, get on it. Okay. And our final finish line shows your total score, 19, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching.